Hey guys, my name is Victor. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to make money online with a MoneyTag account, right? So if you are looking for an extra way to make a legitimate income online, maybe $500, $1,000 or more every single month, then this video is for you, right? This video is also for you if you have like a website, if you have a blog, if you have a social media account, with 1,000 people or more, then you can monetize it and make money from Monetag. Okay, so before I show you exactly how to set up a Monetag account, how to get your link so that you can start promoting and making a lot of money from it, what exactly is Monetag and who is Monetag for? Right? Like I said earlier, MoneyTag is a platform for monetizing all kinds of traffic, right? So if you have a website, traffic, if you have a blog, traffic, if you have a social media account with followers, you can make money from MoneyTag, right? Now, what exactly does, MoneyTag do? And how do you make money from MoneyTag? Now, MoneyTag is like an advertising platform where people with products and services, they go to MoneyTag and say, I have this product, I have this service. I want you to help me, I want you to help me push out this product to potential customers, right? So MoneyTag now has this platform where it says, um, publishers, people who have a blog, who have a website, who have social media following, they're called the publishers. So the publishers generate links from MoneyTag. Now, when the publishers push out these links for people to see, people get to see the adverts of the advertisers. So the advertisers actually pay MoneyTag money to advertise their product and services. And MoneyTag in turn pays you because you have the traffic, you have the people who come to those links to see the ads. So MoneyTag in turn pays you an amount of money for your efforts. All right. So MoneyTag, have various kind of ad formats you can put on your blog, you can put on your website, and it has a high CPM. All right. So now, why MoneyTag? Why MoneyTag? Now, there are several networks like this that provide the same service. But one thing I found out is that MoneyTag has a high cost per mile. What I mean by cost per mile is cost per 1,000 people that click on your link. So that is what they call cost per mile. Sometimes you can have a CPM of $2, $5, $4, depending on the where the traffic is coming from, right? So you'd expect to have more CPM if your traffic is coming from the United States. You have lesser CPM if it's coming from Africa or something like that. So, but when you look at how much money they spend per mile, you know, it's higher, more than the average of what other companies are paying. All right. So this is exactly why you should join Monetag. And let's see, some of the values. For example, if you go to this, you see the CPM 1.73. Now this is from the United States. This is 5.63. 1.48. So what this means is that you're paid, this amount whenever you have 1,000 impressions on your link. I hope you understand that. And now the good thing about this is, unlike affiliate marketing, you know, people need to buy a product or a service for you to get paid. All right. So the money tag, they don't need to buy. The people who are coming from, your blog, from your website, from your social media account, they don't need to buy. They don't need to make any purchase for you to get paid. All right. They only need to view your link. You need to click on the link and view the link, and then it counts as an impression. So imagine you have 1,000 impressions. Imagine you have like this person right here has 2,600,000 and something impressions. All right, and you can see this is about $4,567 that he has earned. So Monetag has a high CPM. It's one of the reasons why you should get right straight into the Monetag business so that you can start getting paid, getting some high CPM rate, and getting good money for your traffic. All right, now why Monetag? Quality advertising and moderation. All right. What I mean by this is there's some networks that generate links, generate codes for you to put on your website, and then when people click on these links, okay, they start seeing like adult content. That's kind of like disgusting. They see they get sent to phishing sites, to scam sites. MoneyTag doesn't permit advertisers to post your products or services that has any of this kind of content. All right. So you never see advertisers who are into adult content on Monetag. All right. So these are, you know, these are the categories of ads that Monetag will never display on your link. Right. You have sexual content, you see, you can be sure we don't allow ads on pornographic websites. All right. So anybody who is selling pornographic services cannot advertise on Monetag. So people click on your link, they don't get to see any malware, they don't get to see super scary stuff, they don't get to see any stuff that is misleading. All right, because they want you to have clean content. They don't want people who come on your website or your blog or your social media to say, oh, you posted a link and man, this stuff is messed up. We don't like this stuff. All right. Money keeps it very clean. All right. Now, how do you get paid? Right. One of the things I like about MoneyTag is the fact that you don't need to hit $100 before you get paid. All right. Like many of these other networks, they tell you that before you can withdraw your money, you need to have earned up to $100. But in MoneyTag, with as little as $5 you can withdraw your money. All right, you can withdraw your money once you hit $5 in your account. You can withdraw your money, and there are several ways that you can withdraw your money. All right, we're going to talk about that. These are the payment methods. You can withdraw with a Payoneer account, you can withdraw with PayPal, Skrill, Wire, web money, and cryptocurrency. So depends on your country. And now one of the beautiful things is that Monetag is available to all countries. All right, so depends on your country. Um, if you're in the US, you can use a PayPal or Payoneer account. If you're in Africa, you can use a Payoneer account. So you can use cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is very easy. All right, you just attach your cryptocurrency wallet and then you get paid. Now let's go straight to the ad format. So Moneytag has different kinds of ad formats that they display on your website or your blog, right? Now, it doesn't matter whether you have a website, like I said earlier, you don't need to have a website to make money from MoneyTag. All right. If you have a social media account, you can simply generate what we call the smart link. All right. The smart link is not a code, it's just a single link that gets generated from your account. So all you have to do is to share the smart links on your social media account. And people click on it and then you get paid for it. You understand? So all right. So these are additional benefits you get from the MoneyTag platform. Now, one of the few things I like about MoneyTag is the fact that you can earn 5% commission for every publisher that you refer to the network. What I mean by that is, let's say, for example, you have a friend named John, and you tell John about MoneyTag, okay? And John signs up for MoneyTag, and John has a website, he has a blog, he has a social media account that has lots of followers, he's getting lots of traffic, and John starts promoting the MoneyTag links on his profiles. All right. Say at the end of the week, John earns $10,000. So now what this means is that MoneyTag is going to pay you 5% of $10,000. That means you're getting $500 from your friend John who signed up with your referral link. All right. So you don't just earn money from sending traffic to your links, you also earn money by referring your friends, your colleagues, whoever you know is going to be interested in this stuff. And when they make money, you also make money. Now, I always give video to get any longer. How do you sign up? The first thing you need to do is to go to monetag.com. All right. When you go to monetag.com, this is exactly how the website looks like. All right. On the top right hand, you're going to see the sign up link. You click on the sign up. And when you click on the sign up button, it takes you to a simple sign up process. Nothing complicated. All right. If you have a Gmail account already logged on your browser, it tells you to sign up with your Gmail. Right, when you click on continue with Google, it takes you to your Gmail account, and you just follow the process. It's not very complex thing. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm not creating a new account. So once you fill the form, right, this is exactly what you're going to see. Now, the two ways you can do this. You can sign up as an individual or you sign up as a company. I prefer you sign up as an individual. Okay. So when you sign up as click on select the individual button, and then you simply fill your name, your country, state, your address, and then you click on the next button. All right. So it's going to ask you like very simple questions. How do you intend to monetize? If you don't have a website, you just say you're going to use social traffic. Okay. Social traffic means you have a Facebook account with followers. Okay. Now, once you do that, you just answer these simple questions. Tell us more about how your audience, URLs, how you generate traffic. You just tell them that you intend to run ads. Okay, or you say you have a Facebook account with 1,000 or more followers, right? How did you hear about us? You heard about them. You heard about Monetag from YouTube, my YouTube video. Okay, so once you fill out this, it's very, very simple. Okay, and then you, once you've done that, right? You should tell us about your audience, which we've gone through that, and then once you fill this information, it takes you right straight to this point. All right, now at this point, there are several things you can do here, but I usually just like to generate like direct links. The direct links you can use it on your blog, you can use it on your website, you can use it on your social media account. All right, so you're going to generate a direct link. And once you click on add a direct link, it takes you here. You see, once you click on that, it generates a direct link for you. Now, this is the link that will help you make money. What I mean by that is link that's going to help you make money. Now, the thing is, here, just what we'll do, right? Now that you have this link, okay, you can open a Twitter account. If you open a Twitter account, you create your profile and you put this link in the bio, right? You can open a TikTok account, all right? TikTok has, amongst all the social media platforms that I know, it's easier to get views on TikTok. All right, so you just choose a niche. You choose any niche. It could be in the dog training. It could be in the make money niche. It could be in the business and finance niche. It could be anything you're passionate about. It could be relationship niche, and then you start creating content. Now, when you create content at the end of your videos, you say, click the link on my bio to get this, clicking the link on my bio to get that. Naturally, people will go to your bio to click on the link. And imagine having like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, or more people clicking on these links every day. Imagine having 100,000 people clicking on the links. Now, another thing you can do is to go to Facebook. All right, Facebook is another platform where you can get a lot of people to click on these links. All right, so you can join groups. There are several groups with large following on Facebook. Okay, you can join these groups. When you join these groups on Facebook, you start making valuable posts. All right, depends on the kind of niche that you join. Let's say, for example, you joined the dog training group on Facebook. So you start writing about dogs, start writing, everything you know about dogs. At the end of your post, you include this link. Now, when people get to click on this link, you get paid. You get paid. So the most important thing is to get volumes of people clicking on this link every day. And when they do that, you get paid. All right. So it's that simple. All you have to do is to drive traffic, to send traffic to this link. And when you send traffic to this link, you get paid. All right. This is exactly how Monetag works. And I said, um, I said to share this information with you so that if you are somebody who is struggling, you have a business that is not doing too well, or you just need an income source, you want to make money online, you don't know how to get started, this is for you. All right. So this is just one of the videos. In the next videos, we're going to talk about how to promote this link. I'm going to show you, walk you through the setup on how to promote this link so that you can start making money. Now, I talked about the referral program of Monetag. All right. So this referral program is you have a form, you have to fill this consent form. You scroll down. Once you fill this form and you complete the form, you have a link. You have your referral link that you can also share with people that you think or that want to make money online, people who are looking for internet businesses, or you can also reach out to people who have blogs, who have websites, and tell them that they can monetize the traffic with Monetag, and you get paid when they make money, right? So, once you scroll down, you see the accept button, you accept it, and you'll be admitted into the referral program, right? So this video is already longer than expected. Okay, it's longer than expected. Now, these are some of the beautiful things, some of the beautiful things that things that you should, reasons why you should join Monetag. Okay, no advanced coding. You don't need to be a computer geek to do this. You don't need to code. You don't need to do any of those, no complex stuff. Right? It is very easy to get started. You see, I walked you through the account creation process. Easy peasy. You don't need to stress yourself filling out very long forms. You don't need to stress yourself answering complex questions. It's just very, very simple, right? So if you monetize your website with monetized links, it doesn't matter. You can also monetize with other websites. There are some networks that tell you, provided you have our links on your blog, you cannot have the link of any other company, similar company, right? So MoneyTag allows you to add other companies, links from other companies, codes from other companies. Now they have a transparent reporting tool. You can see, the traffic that is sent to your link. You can see it on your back office. They have more monetization methods. I showed you just the link click. You have the website. You have the affiliate, the affiliate method. So they have an exceptional referral program and easy payout. Okay, so we've gotten to the end of this. The first thing that you need to do right now is to go to moneytag.com to create an account. Once you create an account, you fill the form and you generate your links. You can start promoting these links. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start promoting your MoneyTag links and start making money from it. I'll see you in the next video.